Hey, buenos dias, ni hao ma. Martin Morris, the engineer who learned how to sell, to stay out of jail way back in 2001. Subscribe. Just since 1995. Right now, that's my Grant Cardone Closer Survival book. Some closes, because I'm not doing selling. I do a lot of engineering contract closing, so I gotta always have my different sales. And I worked at the Yamava Casino, selling $5,000 watches, $10,000 watches, $5,000 crystals. So I know all about selling. So subscribe. Home contractors, home repair. This is the best time for you to be getting out there. Watch how I grow my channel. Watch how I make offers. I'm going to push this company to $150 million. This home insurance crisis has created the biggest opportunity for home contractors and home repair. But you got to go out there and market. Otherwise, Home Depot or Costco is going to take your customers. Subscribe.